Welcome to the world of algebra, where numbers and letters come together to unlock the secrets of mathematical thinking. If you've ever wondered why we use x and y in math, or how to solve equations with mysterious variables, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of algebra, and trust me, it's not as scary as it might seem. Let's start with the big question. What is algebra? Simply put, it's a branch of mathematics that uses letters to represent unknown numbers. Instead of just working with concrete numbers like 2 or 5, we use variables like x and y. Think of these variables as mystery numbers we need to figure out. Now imagine x as a box with a number hidden inside. Our job is to find out what that number is. This is the essence of understanding variables in algebra. It's like being a detective, using clues and logical thinking to solve the mystery of what x equals. When it comes to basic operations with variables, it's not too different from what you already know about regular math. Let's say you have 3x and 2x. Adding them together gives you 5x. We call this combining like terms. It's just like adding 3 apples and 2 apples to get 5 apples, but with x instead of apples. Subtraction works similarly. If you have 7x and take away 4x, you're left with 3x. Multiplication is where things get a bit more interesting. When you multiply 3 by x, you get 3x. And when you multiply x by itself, you get x squared, written as x2. Now, let's tackle solving simple equations. One-step equations are a great place to start. Take x plus 5 or 12. To solve this, we need to isolate x by subtracting 5 from both sides. This gives us x as 7. See? Not so bad, right? Two-step equations are a bit trickier but still manageable. Let's look at 2x plus 3 are 11. First, we subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x over 8. Then we divide both sides by 2, leaving us with x, e, 4. It's all about taking it step by step. Algebra isn't just abstract math. It has real-world applications too. Ever calculated a shopping discount? That's algebra. Figuring out someone's age based on clues? Algebra again. Even splitting a restaurant bill equally among friends involves algebraic thinking. As you're learning, watch out for common mistakes. One big one is forgetting the order of operations. Remember PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. This order is crucial in algebra to get the right answer. Let's try some practice problems to cement what we've learned. First, solve 3x, 7 over 14. Start by adding 7 to both sides, then divide by 3. You should get x over 7. Next, try 4x plus 2. 24. First, divide both sides by 4, then subtract 2. The answer is x under 4. Lastly, solve 2x plus 5 as x plus 12. Subtract x from both sides, then subtract 5, and you'll find x for over 7. So, what's next after mastering these basics? You can move on to more complex equations, graphing, and even start exploring concepts like functions and inequalities. The world of algebra is vast and exciting, and you've just taken your first steps into it. Remember, algebra is all about logical thinking and problem solving. It's not just about finding x, it's about developing a mindset that can tackle all sorts of real-world problems. Every time you solve an equation, you're training your brain to think more analytically. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Like any skill, algebra takes practice. Keep working on problems. Ask questions when you're stuck. And before you know it, you'll be solving equations like a pro. As you continue your algebra journey, you'll discover that it's the foundation for many other areas of mathematics and science. From physics to computer programming, the skills you're learning now will open doors to exciting fields in the future. So, embrace the challenge, enjoy the process of discovery, and get ready to see the world through the lens of algebra. Who knows? You might just find that X marks the spot for a whole new way of thinking about math and the world around you. Happy calculating!